a trial today. Appearance.
Good morning, Your Honor. Rabina Mustafa, P51967, Detroit Justice Center, on behalf of Mr. Daryl Jenkins.
And for all of the officers, Officer Spidell.
Detroit Police Officer Dedrick Spidell, badge 402.
For Ambrose.
Detroit Police Officer Brian Ambrose, badge 4151.
And Officer Gillespie.
Yes, hi. I'm Sergeant Galeska, S142.
Okay, and Mr. Jenkins, can you state your name, please?
Daryl Jenkins.
And Mr. Jenkins, is it correct you're going to plead guilty to 2 counts today, 1 for improper plates and 1 for failure to display a valid operating license?
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand? You swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
Did you have an opportunity to speak to your attorney today in private about your case and about your rights?
I do. I did.
You did?
Yes, I did.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes.
And are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving that right to a trial, do you wish to continue and plead guilty?
Yes.
Okay, I'd like to bring your attention, Mr. Jenkins, to February 26, 2019, around 1:07 p.m. in the area of Myers and Thatcher in the city of Detroit, where you're operating a 2002 Ford black vehicle,
Yes.
and where you stopped by a Detroit Police Department officer.
Yes.
At that time, did you fail to display a valid operator's license?
Yes.
Okay. Also, Mr. Jenkins, I'd like to bring your attention to April 22nd, 2019, around 7:50 p.m. in the area of Livernois and Mercy in the city of Detroit, where you're operating a 2002 Ford black vehicle without insurance.
Yes.
Satisfied, Attorney Mustafa?
Yes, Your Honor, satisfied with factual basis.
Okay, and I will amend the no insurance to the proper plate and the driving while license not valid or improper license to a failure to display. I will dismiss the remaining counts. Their stipulation of probable cause.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Did you say yes?
Yes, Your Honor, thank you.
And Mr. Jenkins, so if all officers, you guys want to log off, feel free. I know it's just talking about money at this point. Thank you all for all showing up today.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Y'all have a good day.
You too.
Good day, Your Honor.
Thank you. So, Mr. Jenkins, the fine for each count is typically $240. I'm going to knock off one of the 240s. So it'll be just $240 that takes care of mandatory court costs. Your attorney did say that you posted a bond, is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, do you know how much you posted, a ballpark?
Yes. It was 880.
You said 880?
1880.
I believe bond was posted on all matters this morning, so. So for these two, I think 240 each.
Okay, so this is what we'll do. I'm not going to return your bond yet. I will apply your bond to 240 for today's cases. Attorney Mustafa, can you come back this week to handle the civil infractions?
Yes, yes, Your Honor.
So what I'll do is based off of whatever the offer is from the prosecutor, I can apply his bond to those fines and costs and then return whatever's left over in the mail.
Thank you, Your Honor. That would be helpful.
He doesn't have to spend any more money. He could just take off of his bond.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
So, Mr. Jenkins, I'm going to give you 90 days. Well, I don't have to give you time. I'm going to use your bond. So let's discuss what day this week works best for you, Attorney and your client.
Sure. Actually, Your Honor, any day that works for you works for me. And any day that works for Mr. Jenkins also.
Let's do Thursday. So Thursday, 8:30, Mr. Jenkins, call back in and we will get your civil infractions in order. That way you can finally go ahead and move forward to get your license, okay?
Yes.
You are welcome.
Thank
So
you.
for the misdemeanors, I'm also going to apply his bond to reinstatement fees. So
Okay,
just gonna check your bond for everything, okay, Mr. Jenkins?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Y'all don't have any questions? You'll have a good day.
thank you. I'm gonna still try to get a hold of my other client. I'll go offline while I try to do that for Mr.
Oh,
Jenkins.
right, I forgot